Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, it's me Hamza Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the part 12 of Unit 4 Daffodils from the book English Language for Grade 10 Balochistan Textbook Board, Quetta. In this lesson we are going to learn literary techniques. Literary techniques: repetition, personification and alliteration. Repetition. Repetition is a technique in language that repeats the same words or phrases to make an idea clearer. For example, my conscience hath 1,000 several tongues, and every tongue brings in a several tale, and every tale condemns me for a villain. A horse is a horse, of course, and no one can talk to a horse, of course, that is, of course, unless the horse is the famous Mr. Ed. Personification is a figure of speech in which a thing or an idea is given human attributes. The non-human objects are portrayed in such a way that we feel they have the ability to act like human beings. Like I am going to give you my example. CPU is the brain of the computer. You see, this is personification. CPU doesn't have a computer like humans, but when we say CPU is the brain, then this is personification. The wind whispered through dry grass. The flowers danced in the gentle breeze. Alliteration. The repetition of consonant sounds usually at the beginning of words in a line of poetry or prose is called alliteration. For example, the sun sets slowly. A strong man struggling with the storms of fate. You see, if you don't understand alliteration, it is basically, now here a sentence is written. Most of the words start with the same letter, S. The sun sets slowly. This is called alliteration. A strong man struggling with the storms of fate. So that's it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And also like our Facebook page Compare Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.